Imagine the deafening silence that follows a devastating breakup. It's a sound that echoes in the corners of your mind, a relentless reminder of what once was. A storm of emotions sweeps over you, leaving you feeling lost and confused. You question your worth, wondering if you could have done anything differently, if you could have been more or less of something to prevent the parting of ways. This pain is raw and real. It gnaws at your heart, leaving a void that seems impossible to fill. Your days are filled with a lingering sense of emptiness, your nights plagued by restless thoughts and a longing for what once was. In the midst of this turmoil, it's easy to forget that this heartache is not the end, but merely a beginning. A beginning that might seem bleak and uncertain. But remember, from the ashes of this heartbreak, a new path emerges. So, in the midst of this chaos, remember, every ending paves the way for a new beginning. As the dust settles, a new journey begins. A journey of self-discovery. In the quiet aftermath of heartbreak, you have the opportunity to turn inward, to embark on a voyage towards understanding who you truly are. This is a journey of healing, of self-care, and of self-love. It's about recognizing your worth, independent of any relationship. Life's most profound lessons often come from our most painful experiences. And though this journey may be fraught with difficulty, it's important to remember that pain can be a catalyst for growth. It's through these trials we learn about our resilience, our courage, and our ability to endure. You may stumble, you may falter, but with each step, you're becoming a stronger, more self-aware individual. You're learning to love yourself, not for who you were in relation to someone else, but for who you are as an individual. In this journey, you will discover your strength, your resilience, and most importantly, your worth. From the ashes of a broken love, a stronger, wiser you emerges. Picture it like a phoenix, reborn from the embers of its own demise. Heartbreak, while painful, is a transformative experience. It's a crucible that tests your mettle, revealing a resilience you may not have known existed. You've journeyed through the depths of your emotions, navigated the labyrinth of self-discovery, and here you stand at the dawn of your rebirth. This is the moment where you realize your worth is not dictated by someone else's opinion or affection, but by your own self-belief. In this rebirth, you find a renewed confidence, a deeper understanding of who you are and what you truly want in life. It's a bittersweet realization, but an empowering one. Remember, the scars from your past don't make you less. They make you more experienced, more resilient, more self-aware. Remember, you are not defined by your heartbreak. You are defined by how you rise from it.